How much do you love Stonebwoy?
I love him like I love my life.
Is it that deep?
That's how deep me penasem.
And I'm mostly nipa ejijina musa so mo do be too much no. Ade e be china ntokwa o montem na wono kwa de wo chen ne tanfo.
Ghana entertainment industry. Me almost like 4 years now. And a delay. Any Ayisha Modi etnase with the delay show so. Now, during the show no. And a delay ebisa Ayisha Modi some futuristic question be. Na sa question na delay e de pim Ayisha Modi no. E mami hu say delay sebi oye nipa ohu daache. Delay bisa ni say.
How much do you love Stonebwoy?
I love him like I love my life.
Is it that deep?
That's how deep me penasem.
Because of den, ne nyom 20 ana.
Oh, enye ni nyom to obia me ni nyom to fo bebre asan ono esronko wo obiemu.
Okay.
Or you be odwin nipa ho. The way I mean relative, we have a bond that is very special bond.
And I'm mostly nipa ejijina musa so mo do be too much no. Ade e be china ntokwa o montem na wono kwa de wo chen ne tanfo. Say wa jeje mu say she loves Stonebwoy. Ochina ye be hu na ona na eja damu a wa mi de obi onipa nkasa wotimi twi phone hwe ne ho stay record ekeka na adwen chire obi ne sankofo na ya misuru om enti ma hu say ase wo mo timi twi video now ase wo keka adwen
ya me ka ma adwen
enti isn't there a tendency say sankofo no mo chire too much love
they be nyame ammo me sa
enti woni Stonebwoy enya ntokwada
Samini kwa mini enya ntokwada na Stonebwoy
okay Samini kwa pa che say
because me why great family after I great family a lot of things happen me pe wasem too much am ni wunya problem a ye de second to me miri mu kra me be kasa because me ka moment a me ba be kasa na me gu me hu enim ate I respect myself so much
Eja Bedofo Bible na kan o say akoko amon prince ampo ana mayi mamai Ayisha akoko amon prince emfie nan po enso yo ana wa wanu masem went many sui mame die ne kote bayira homam ama bayire amo akasie yi asem no ha agene because se o share ekwan a Ayisha afa so kasa utimi hu se odi yaw e wona komam ensem na Ayisha kanu to the extent say o su nyina no e che se wo lucy bibi ohun o gifu bibi ana onim se na wieye no enye osu na mom e be yesere I think say Ayisha any Stonebwoy case we know e was say ye case study e wo Ghana entertainment industry mu say we investor now who could invest into anybody's crafter, into anybody's music, into anybody's production. Me da for jinu hu ye.
Edien bone na me ye Stonebwoy. Mo bi say Stonebwoy say edien bone na me Ayisha me de ye no obe unfollow me. Mo nyina mo ye nya atwom grateful human beings ntina mo bre no because mo ti ha no mo na Stonebwoy e call interview e wona na Romeo ho mekwa kwotwe mo pese me kwotwe nsem ba mekwa kwotwe nsem aba ena na Romeo bisa Stonebwoy say Nancy yeti Ayisha Modi nka chene ade na de ena Stonebwoy tina radio ho no mo ka say I am just a fan ena na Romeo bisa say no be who so you just a fan no what pictures near ade like we are talking about Ayisha Modi Stonebwoy see obia you soon to be popular.
Well, that bullet back there before. I want to know, frankly, from your heart, the relationship right now between you and Ayisha Modi. She loves Stonebwoy.
Ooh. Yeah, but second camera. But the old money say, from my perspective, there's no, I don't have any wahala with her. You know, serious security reasons. Yeah. Me nada me down for me down for nkofo a wo mu ni me ene nkofo a meni mu o said am su ne me ban tie and wonim ya wonim me hu obi say a meni mu a me ntumi nso la ken de enhwe weni mu anajo but embusu ansem de ensem bebre ne asem obi tumi ni me twa picture krana or the aye nation ɛwɔ ni baby ɛno no so ni papam nti de maka no sɛ wotumi de wadwin si so a ye de ye bebrɛ artist ye bebrɛ obi tumi no twa evoni keke na nsɛm edi etire de wontumi nya asokra na wakɔ tibie na wakɔ yia no nti sɛ de be ka ne de na kasa.
Okay, Mate, me another question never share a fridge mo. Now it was for a security reason.
Okay, kid you know.
Because now we say Udino and that's ho. And I said BBC CCA e be related to untina na me na waka on from so we be CCA officially no.
Mimi see so time a mimi see so be by industry na Stonebwoy on in school on nkwala e di agro. E ma munye ma me be kika nkwase asem o. Where Stonebwoy kotena national television so kafa mi unina me di yenkun sraye mama me kasa mi yedi munina mutia na Stonebwoy ko unfollow me nya ne bone bia edin bone na maye Stonebwoy bone a maye Stonebwoy ne say mimi page Ayisha Modi Instagram no me di support all artists in Ghana or per se as a me no penny juma and I'm saying no me to me no penny juma because I am for all me nya ne bone Stonebwoy mpembra no beka se me maye ne bone da ana me di na tem da ana wakote se maka no asem obebi da me nya ne bone me nya Stonebwoy hwe. Before say Stonebwoy kwabe kwakotena even na Romeo me pamucho records don't lie. Mo munim what happened, records don't lie. And I me issue this disclaimer to her. Me ye kasan ka obi ne yemwa no Ghana music industry no me ka kyerem anka Shatta wale ni samini na meboa. Me I am from high grade family. Ye started high grade family from a scratch. Na samini Shatta Stonebwoy na ne papa ni samini. Monko bisa contain the time I make ka say Stonebwoy will be a hit me jina for Stonebwoy. Monko bisa contain any KK for so asama mo kacha be say me bregu ade bia me yema Stonebwoy bia me bregu na Ghana dancehall enye your culture. Monko bisa contain say asama na me ka na me boa na eye ne na me ba be support Stonebwoy eye ne na me ba be boa Stonebwoy eye ne na me ba be Stonebwoy na mo ba na nse ya mo wan Ghana kranko Stonebwoy hono mo na mbe kwa kwati group na mo di matem wo group mo ese makwati WhatsApp group nyina e di matem hey mo ade wo hu mo pese ye pie be kan sama na mo pese ye pie ni ye nyina e be ye hu fia na hwe me ade a me support me media ma Stonebwoy me donya me Shatta wale na me di sa support ni ma na nka ne Shatta me donya me wa ye bibi di me Ayisha me din kura to so but we supported Stonebwoy me na me Instagram page ne she love bisake de mun konko bisake de me na me ni bisake de na ye ade me tie na me share industry na me hu say Shatta wale Bruce Stonebwoy left and right and I'm saying no ade we man be jine mu aboe we wa ya ade wa inti me di Stonebwoy chi nye no me ba be post picture of time and me di Stonebwoy chi na say me be jina na me ka kire mo say me di beam the beam camp the brand beam nation no me di 500 Ghana cra in the brand beam nation muda they are still alive o me ka say me boa everything I did out of my heart me try be mo rent mo na makacho mse Stonebwoy is a tria rent no omo obi a me ye ne papa bia true beam nation bia obi benefiting from beam nation bia mo mi so mo say enipa ba ko mienu ben na makache ne say ade we mi na me dey ma woda de me ye wo beam kan bia me host meetings wo mi fie omo ba mi fie omo ye 40 me e pictures mo mi page ya fans ni ba mi fie mo mboro 50 obi aba mi do obi be kokoko vadela ye wi obia be didi ye wi obia kwame mo obia lorry fe nipa baku 50 na wo order cocoa vanilla aduane 1.5 to 200 Ghana ama nipa baku 50 ansana one mo obia lorry fe munko bisa Stonebwoy say did beam camp gave me 1 Ghana to do what I did yeah the clash me kwame voti 150,000 Ghana cedi because say ye katre ye say wo be vote no wo artist ni wi ni e ma munye ma me be ke kansam Stonebwoy ne godmother obofuwa di ni birthday. Stonebwoy kona kosra kona ko pass it through mami Shatta wali anka onje me one Ghana. Stonebwoy charge me 300 million me tue sika ne ma Black City. Munko bisa Black City se sa sika me bwana me tue sika na me nsu. To the sense say obofuwa kre bisa me say na wunua no o charge say na me ferry say me ka kire ni say Stonebwoy charge me nti me ka kire o mo so papa o de che me wan charge me tua Black City 300 million Shatta wali anka me tua one Ghana na mo ye bebre my din for good 3 years new. I have been quiet for 3 years. Mo, what do you guys know about loyalty? Me woo me mukura na me dasu ye bim. What do you know about loyalty? Mini Stonebwoy issue 3 years near. Stonebwoy unfollow me with social media bloggers I was still posting Stonebwoy into Momo loyalty yeding. Monko Stonebwoy bushian for more social media na monko said the way I made me piano no ne bushian for ne bushi ni bang or no any near no crown no one mother one father no crown. Why ne pian Stonebwoy to say and made me push Stonebwoy brand? But I didn't give a fuck. Hey, me ye nam inano mi hunyama bebre mi hun science bebre. Me adia Stonebwoy de ye me de he continue mu. Mon konko bisa minti nene soni bedu aye cold because papa ne frame boni ni no osun. He couldn't believe back door ni solve sa same way. Bulldog ni ma same way, Shatta wali ni ma same way. Dreamline was a nipa na debut of frame me kasa. The time I was going through that trauma no at the same time no na me seni Alfred Manfo credit every month to come up to date. Me na me ma Alfred Manfo credit every month to do Stonebwoy. Enye mea and Alfred Manfo just Stonebwoy da. Alfred Manfo supported Stonebwoy so many years. Mumbisa Alfred Manfo say when you one Ghana from Bim Campana, everything I did, I made me that's so cry me yama Alfred Manfo no. It is me, but Alfred Manfo that's so ye bim. Me complain that. Ebi wa me kwa na me to me panicho. Me mpese me kasa bebre. I have invested so much in Stonebwoy brand to the sense say me kasa sometimes kwa na me feel say ade na ade a wa bre nwa na ade no na afi de wo de wonsa be duri nyina egu. But yeah, you started Bim Camp na me tri Colora 208. Yen ene ye me na me chata bus monko bisa logic no kan kire mo me na me fa Bim fo ni nyina ne abetena na me ka kire mo niam esisi a mumu nyina obi a Bim akola bie ni wo be obedidi matem da mu nyina akra mu besu ama me ba back door na me ma me mia me nkasa na we mia me because Ayisha modidie o ya ade mani pa no abeka Ayisha modidie enipa ya ade amomu ye mbeka you Kecheba hanum mini kecheba TikTok live kecheka asembi or say I've known Ayisha Modi for good 15 years me any me manager George ye kwa Ayisha Modi ho for loan da benda na mabe gina ade didi keche atemda mumuni mniama enipa ye enipa nka anwasem mu bomiyem me gina ho mu bomiyem me gina ho me mpese me kasa na me fa dictionary na me ba be kire mu niam ma ye wo the Bim camp the Bim brand me investment to the investment of me no kra mu obi ni obetimi atwa meka nti se me ni nipa ne nam na nipa no kra me kwa na ene na makoy mu mpese ye be kasa me hwe me koye ekosu kire me boss bi e fa na solar fadora e ma ne ma mi 900 million sa asem we make mu bi se Stonebwoy say me boa na Stonebwoy ba be ye meet and greet sa meet and greet no munko bisa Black City mu se sika ye di share envelope mu nyinala me e na me call a solar fadora ho e ko ji se sika mo pese me kasa na where am I can 1% to Intimo amati group na mo di matem sisi ame monim metini akọ bebi a me pese me ko minister Shatta wali ye ke mimi hate Shatta wali I never me hate Shatta wali da 2020 na saa time COVID aba game ni mu enye debut sisi ye ni producers ya giant advert ye joy that the money on be invest in ya mo ntumi invest bi so we came up with an agenda. Said this is the time Shatta wale ni Stonebwoy mo betimi because na nyom tuni bi akadem na yenso ye hyehyehye dem. So what will we do? Ho na the agenda with the putu ni nyama nyina baaye me Ayisha ba ya modi mi bia ma no aka che bim fan bia say bibia mo me han dan ma mo am twa mo school fees mo am yale am beji ska wo mo am da me payroll so me ma muska every month be sinne me pamocho. The brand beam has never given me 5 Ghana before. Adebia me yema amobia every day hard work and the sweat of Ayisha ba ya amodi emma kwasia hwe mutwemuti minyimi ye me Dr. Louisa posted a picture last week and a picture na say me kokotru comment say wo ho aye fe na bi mi ni akwale bia ba bedi matem poto wo Dr. Louisa picture na say mo begie di say sisi amene mo kasai ade ne ye last week o sisi amene mo kasai ade no eda so ho e wo Dr. Louisa post say onu a wendileti onu a wendifeni ni anka bibi antre the beam fan
say o akwantum o abrochire na opese o send sika ko momo number so ewo Ghana anase opese o send sika eko bank account bi so ewo Ghana medefo mame kanfo lemfi emao de nti ame kanfo lemfi emao nyina ne say o pay money transfer omo exchange rate ewo soro kese pa eye lemfi na ni gisem kra kese ne say wo Europe now we your first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And our UK, now your first £50 transfer, amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans, now your $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemum, answer na benya cashback no. Mema rain fi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemu so se wa America, na opese o shipping nyoma e free. Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu door-to-door shipping company. Medofo Fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma when him round so no mujina waboboano. Oma be box on your man kama. Na omu dia call Ghana asumdwe mama. Omo so eni December ko account ne say. O fro ma catch him say and I'm the BonahShow so and I'll tell you omunka. Omo sum prim na omo 10% discount. Nye chat woni se o ko Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe bia dam wasomadwo obepe bia e 100% security e 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese opepe bia dam wasomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say there sabi uti ufie papa bi ma frɛ Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.